welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make some foam. And let's just get right on into the video. So first you're going to need some glue. I use Elmer's clear glue, and you can use white glue too, but I decided to make a clear foam. And I colored it with blue food coloring, but you can use any type of food coloring you want. And just stir it up until the glue and the food coloring are mixed together well. You can also add water if you wanted to, but I decided not to because sometimes it makes it a little bit jiggly and not as stretchy. Then you can add your activator, which is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water, and this activates the slime, so it makes it a slime, and just keep mixing that in until it forms a slime. I picked mine up way too early, but if it ever is like way too sticky when you pick it up, just make sure you add more activator. So I thought it was ready, but in the next clip, yeah, it was really sticky and I had to add more activator. But when you think it's ready, just continue kneading it, all the strings out, and then pour whatever colored beads you want into your bowl, and you can put your slime into the beads and make it a foam. So I accidentally over-activated my slime, but you want your slime to be a little bit sticky so it holds in the beads well. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. I'll see you guys all later. Bye!